In a significant move aimed to regulating the ever-expanding realm of artificial intelligence, the government has recently introduced a series of measures to limit its proliferation and mitigate potential risks. With AI technologies permeating various sectors and raising ethical concerns, the rules seek to strike a delicate balance between encouraging innovation and safeguarding the public interest. These latest government regulations set out to address two primary aspects of AI deployment: data privacy and transparency. One of the central tenets is strengthening data protection laws to ensure the responsible handling of sensitive information used to train AI systems. Companies utilizing AI algorithms will be required to adhere to strict protocols that safeguard user data, minimizing the risk of misuse or unauthorized access. Furthermore, the government aims to enhance transparency surrounding AI decision-making process. This involves mandating organizations to provide clear explanations of how AI systems arrive at their conclusions, reducing the opacity often associated with complex machine learning models. By promoting transparency, users can better understand the algorithm's outcomes and have confidence in technologies they interact with daily. The restrictions, however, have not escaped criticism. Some argue that the stringent limitations of AI development may stifle innovation and hinder technological progress. AI has revolutionized industries from healthcare to transportation, and proponents fear that overregulation might impede breakthroughs that could otherwise benefit society. Striking a balance between regulation and innovation proves to be a complex challenge. The government must work collaboratively with industry experts, researchers, and ethicists to refine these rules further. A collaborative approach can help ensure that regulations are both comprehensive and flexible, capable of addressing potential loopholes or unforeseen consequences. Moreover, governments must consider international cooperation on AI regulation. Given the global nature of AI development and deployment, uniform standards can foster harmonious growth, eliminating potential competitive disadvantages between nations while fostering responsible AI practices worldwide. As the debate continues, the ultimate success of these government-imposed limitations on AI will hinge on their capacity to promote ethical AI practices, protect user privacy, and ensure transparency. By fostering an environment that encourages responsible AI development, society can harness the full potential of AI technologies while safeguarding the public's interests. In conclusion, the latest government rules to limit artificial intelligence represent a critical step toward creating a safe and transparent AI landscape. While the balance between regulation and innovation remains a challenge, collaboration between governments, experts, and the private sector will play a crucial role in shaping the future of AI responsibly. By embracing these new measures, society can move toward the future where AI innovation is aligned with public interest, leading to a more inclusive and ethical AI revolution.